What's kicking, guys? Austin here, and today we're gonna be cleaning my 2008 Chevy Silverado. She is extremely dirty. Haven't cleaned her in 6 months. I got my brother here with me.
The name is Old Soul, and you're looking at the top 10 in the state of Texas Fortnite Banta eSports. Back to you.
Alrighty, let's get into the video.
Gosh, come on. Let's stop.
Alrighty, guys, so we washed the truck. She is still extremely dirty. She's gonna need a few more washes. That's how bad off she was. And of course it's raining, so I'm driving along and slinging mud puddles all over it. But yeah, this is my truck. She's been a good truck. I've had her for almost 5 years. 2008 Chevy Silverado. I haven't done too much to it other than I've got a 8-inch super lift on there with the 2-inch spacers. Those are by Rough Country. These are 20-inch deep dish wheels by American Trucks right here. They've got the negative 44 offset, 33-inch tires. They've been a good wheel and tire. I've got the hoof bully side steps there. Stickers all over the truck. You gotta have stickers. The exhaust on the truck is it's actually a MagnaFlow. It's not too loud. I'm sure y'all could barely hear it when I was washing the truck. We did a little startup video with the wind and the cars driving by. You probably couldn't hear it. I've got this fifth wheel tailgate that I put on there because I wanted to. It's not a fifth wheel by any means. I've got the aftermarket black LED tail lights, third brake light. I stuck, those are kind of DIY pole holders. I've had them on there for a long time. They do the job. And yeah, other than that, I really haven't done too much else to the truck, you know. So just exhaust and some cosmetic modifications. So yeah, guys, that's my truck. So what do you think, Pierce? What do you think of the truck?
I think it's really cool. I think it was a super fun project today. Again, we did wash it. I did get a little wet with the soap, but that's camera people. They always get injured. So it is what it is. Well done. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to this guy.
Yep. This is the end of the video, guys. Appreciate you coming along. We'll do a little walkthrough with some music, just some cool shots of the truck. And yeah, so appreciate you, my brother here. He helped me out with this video. He's got a YouTube channel that he just started. He's coming up in gaming. You want to go and give him your information on that?
Sure. You can find me on YouTube at oldsoul_, and you can also find me on Twitch, twitch.tv/theoldsoul. Thank you.
And that's that, guys. Appreciate you watching along. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at AustinCarloMMA. This is Austin, my brother Pierce, Old Soul, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.